Okay, everyone, let's complete our code. It's better that we know function and we can use it in this code, but if we don't know, it's not a problem. We are going to solve it anyway without using any functions. Let's make our code neat. At first, we copy this line and put it here. Now we have a function to add the student to our collection. Okay, we have our first function. But this is not the end function. We need to have another function if the person wants to add another line of code to his or her list. What I'm going to say, let's say the person that's using our code can have some function. Let me just make it markdown. Okay, he or she has some function. First function he must have is add a student. It's the first function is adding a student. And let's say for adding a student, he must type add a student. Okay, we create an input here. We create an input. We say for x, for how we can say it. For example, we say for x, how we can say for x less than for how we say that for a step in range 1000. We want the code to run 1000. Why we saying 1000? We can use while in a better way or anything else to break, but we just use it to so the person can use and run the code 1000 times. Okay, for a step in 1000, we say cmd, we call it command. The command is equal input, and right here, please enter the function. And we are going to create a help here, absolutely. A help here. Print help dot. Okay, and let me just copy that, paste it here. Add a student is equal to add one a student to the list and first to the list. Okay, now when we run it, it's going to help us to work better. Let's put it here like this. Wait for the code to run. Okay, it's going to crash, I think. Let's just save it before crashing. Let me run another cell. Okay, now we have 2 crashes. We can just stop the code here and run it again. Okay, help. Add a student. Add one student to the list. Okay, please enter your function. For example, add a student. You see, it's go to the next function. Because why? Because we didn't prepare add a student. How we can add a student? We can if cmd is equal add a student. Now what paste here? We paste it here. We paste a free dictionary here, and we put the code here. But we have a problem, as you guessed. The code need to be 1 and 2 step above. Now we run it. It crashed again. Every time it's happened, we click here and run it again. Okay, we have a problem. We need a lot of space here. Let me write it. Adding a student function. Run it. Okay. Add a student. Number 3, Alex. 50. Okay. We have a problem here. BC name is not defined. Why is it not defined? What is BC even? I don't remember we have BC. We don't have any BC. This C is wrong. Let me just delete it. Now run it. Add a student. SS. Oh, it was the number. Run it another time. Add a student. 3. Add a student. We write it wrong. 2. SFF. 5. Okay. Our first function has been created. Now we can add a student to the list we have. We are going to complete our another function in the next lesson. Until then, don't forget to ask me if you have any question in the comments, and please like and subscribe.